Fetch Rewards points can appear incorrect when a receipt has not fully processed, points have not updated yet, or the app is showing outdated account information. By the end, you'll know how to check why your Fetch Rewards balance looks wrong, how to refresh your account, and what steps to take if your points are still missing or incorrect. Section 1 is checking whether your points have updated. Fetch Rewards processes points from receipts and activities, but the balance shown in the app may not always update immediately. Start by opening the Fetch Rewards app and confirming that you are signed into the correct account. Using another account can make your points history and balance look different. Next, close the app completely and reopen it. Refreshing the app can reload your account information and display the latest available balance. If the balance still appears wrong, restart your phone and check again. Temporary app issues can sometimes prevent updated information from loading correctly. Section 2 is reviewing your receipt and points activity. A wrong points balance can happen when a receipt has not been processed correctly or when some points are still being reviewed. Open your Fetch Rewards activity history and check the receipt connected to the missing points. Confirm that the receipt was submitted successfully and that the purchase details match the offers or promotions you expected to receive points from. Keep your receipt after submitting it. A clear photo of the receipt and purchase details can help if you need to report a problem. Also check that you submitted the receipt through the Fetch Rewards app and that the account used for scanning matches the account where you expect to see the points. Section 3 is fixing points that still do not appear. If you refreshed the app, confirmed your account, and reviewed your receipt activity, the next step is contacting Fetch Rewards support. Include specific information in your request, such as the receipt date, store name, missing points issue, and any screenshots showing the problem. A detailed support message helps Fetch Rewards review whether the issue is related to receipt processing, promotions, or account information. Avoid sending only a short message saying your points are wrong. More details make it easier to identify the issue. The key points are simple. Check the correct account, review your receipt activity, and provide proof when contacting support. Your next step is to refresh Fetch Rewards, review the receipt that caused the balance issue, and submit a detailed support request if needed. If this guide helped you fix a Fetch Rewards points balance issue, like the video and subscribe for more rewards app troubleshooting guides.